Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled New Sharpest Image of the Sun Uncovers Instability. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an image taken by a solar telescope out in Hawaii looking at the sun and getting the sharpest images we've ever seen. So we're looking at only a very small portion of the sun's surface here. And this is the highest resolution we've ever been able to get in visible light. What does that help us with? Well, better understanding how the sun works. And what we're seeing is something that was predicted to exist on the surface of the sun, but we had not yet had the ability to be able to detect it. These are what are known as a Kelvin-Helmholtz Instability, or KHI. When we see the KHI streaks and swirls here, that's what was predicted, and now we're actually able to see them. So that confirms some of our models of the sun and helps us to refine them and make them even better. And that is how science continually improves their models by either confirming things that they believe are correct, such as here, or by finding things that don't match with our observations and with our models, that then we need to make adjustments to our models to make them fit better. So it is a constant process of refinement that occurs to improve the models, to make them fit the observations that we have. And more observations, we can get better and better models over time. So new equipment, new telescopes, new instrumentation, things that allow us to see things that we've never seen before can either allow us to confirm our models, such as the situation here, or to challenge us to really come up with a better model, whether that is just tweaking a model or if it is completely changing a model, depending on what is seen. Now, the image that we're seeing here, just to clarify, is a false color image. It is falsely colored yellow. It actually was observed in blue light, so a much shorter wavelength that was observed, but then false colored to give it that sun-like image that we see here. So as you look at this image, if you're wondering what kind of size we're looking at here, you can tell we're only looking at a portion of the sun. This is actually about an Earth-sized portion of the sun, about the radius of Earth. However, the resolution is so good that we're actually seeing things that are city-sized. That's the finest resolution we've ever been able to obtain on any image of the sun. And it's helped us to be able to confirm some of our models of how our sun works. And future observations will help us to even better refine those models. So that was our picture of the day, titled New Sharpest Image of the Sun Uncovers Instability. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Rubin's Cosmos. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.